Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most futuristic laptops on the market right now, and it's not just a productivity powerhouse, it's a visual showstopper. This is the ASUS Zenbook DUO 2025, featuring dual 14 OLED 3K 120Hz touch displays, the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor, Intel Arc graphics, and some of the most premium hardware we've seen in an ultrabook this year. Let's start with the obvious: the dual screen setup. You're getting two full-sized 14-inch OLED touch displays, each running at 3K resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate. That's not a gimmick, it's a fully functional dual display experience that transforms how you multitask, create, and collaborate. Stack apps, run dual workflows, preview timelines, edit content, all without needing an external monitor. The displays are vivid, color accurate, and ultra responsive. With 100% DCI-P3 coverage and Dolby Vision support, it's a dream for content creators, designers, video editors, and digital artists. Whether you're editing 4K video or color grading photos, what you see is truly what you get. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285H, part of Intel's new AI accelerated platform. This chip brings big performance gains while staying ultra efficient. It handles multitasking, 3D modeling, AI workflows, and even casual gaming with ease thanks to the integrated Intel Arc graphics, which also supports AV1 encoding and high-efficiency media performance. Memory and storage are equally impressive. You're getting 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, so uploading, file transfers, and high-performance computing are all lightning fast. Despite its power, the Zenbook DUO remains incredibly portable. The laptop features an ultra-slim, magnesium alloy chassis, weighs just under 3.5 pounds, and includes a full-size Bluetooth keyboard that magnetically attaches and detaches for flexible workflows. You can use it in clamshell, dual screen mode, or desktop setup mode, all built into the experience. There's also Wi-Fi 6E, a strong port selection including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and USB-A, plus a long-lasting battery that keeps up with your creative flow. And yes, it runs Windows 11 beautifully, taking full advantage of multi-touch, snap layouts, and the new Copilot AI tools. Bottom line, the ASUS Zenbook DUO is one of the most innovative productivity laptops of 2025. It's for creators, coders, multitaskers, and professionals who want desktop-level power with ultra-mobile flexibility. The product link is in the description below if you're ready to experience the future of laptops. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more laptop reviews, creator tech, and next-gen gear you don't want to miss.